Hey guys, it's Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and right in front of me is a ton of Chapel Hill yellow lantana. I'm going to tell you some of my favorite reasons for liking lantana. One is that it's drought tolerant. Two, it's heat tolerant. Three, it is deer resistant. We all like the fact that it's deer resistant. But really there's a fourth reason and a fifth reason. The fourth reason, it's a great pollinator plant. Plenty of nectar there for the bees and the butterflies. I have this in my front yard, and all summer long I just have a flurry of butterflies over the top of it just going on. It's wonderful to see. And the fifth is that it does bloom all summer long, from spring till frost. The lantana that we have here is a perennial, so it's going to come back. There's a lot of different colors to choose from. Again, this is Chapel Hill yellow. There is the Firestorm right here. This is a great new lantana with a lot of yellow, orange, and red in it. A beautiful plant for your yard. This is more of a mounding one. It's going to be about 2 to 3 feet tall, just more mounding. There's others that are more upright that'll get about 6 feet tall. This one's an Athens rose with lots of pink, a little bit of yellow. This one's going to be tall. This one's going to be about 6 feet tall. Another big uprighter is Irene, and Irene has lots of orange mixed with some pink and yellow in it. Just a really good lantana for your landscape if you're going to fill a large area. And then there are two that are trailing. This is trailing lavender. This works well in the ground for a ground cover. It also works well in containers. The lantana can even be cut to go into your cut flowers if you are one who's doing cut flowers. We have also the trailing white, although it's not blooming right now. Trailing white along with the trailing lavender makes for a good choice for your landscape. And another favorite is the new gold lantana. You can see this lantana is a little more gold than the Chapel Hill yellow. But this is a great deer resistant, drought tolerant, heat tolerant choice for your landscape. Better yet, you can even put some of these in hanging baskets and they will hang out in your baskets, take the heat, and it can be drought tolerant all summer long.